higher application performance, better server virtualization, and enhanced management. Three key areas why Dell customers are deploying the Brocade adapter portfolio. My name is Ryan Klein, and I'm responsible for the technical sales organization for the server connectivity business at Brocade. Customers are faced with many decisions today about the data center. They have to maintain existing fiber channel and iSCSI networks, at the same time have new protocols around data center bridging, or DCB, and FCOE as opportunities for them as they move into the future. Dell made a strategic decision to enhance the PowerConnect B portfolio with bringing on the Brocade server adapter line, including both fiber channel HBAs and converged network adapters. The three key differentiators where customers are seeing the most advantage from the Brocade portfolio revolve around performance, virtualization, and management. Specifically, if we look at application performance, our goal was not to provide datasheet numbers that were irrelevant in your environment. They were to look at your application environment and enhance it. Specifically, if we look at email, we have the ability to deploy more mailboxes on a server than anyone else. Specifically, if you look at a R710 with a PowerConnect B portfolio environment from a fabric standpoint, attached to an EMC CX4 array, we can deploy 1,700 more mailboxes than our competitor, simply by changing out the host adapter. If we look at database environments, we can drive more transactions per second and reduce latency, ultimately giving users a faster response time to their data. If we look at virtualization environments, we all have choices to make about deploying applications in virtual machines. There's many cases where we don't deploy applications because we're concerned about service level agreements or connectivity and resources to that virtual machine. Brocade's portfolio allows us to prioritize and protect data both at the physical level to the server as well as the virtual level. Ultimately, this allows us to deploy more virtual machines and applications on virtual machines that you would have never deployed before, meeting those SLAs and ensuring your data is protected and prioritized, using all the capabilities your server has to offer and not leaving wasted CPU cycles and memory unused. The third area that we focus on is management. We look at hardware capabilities and software capabilities. From a hardware standpoint, we like to simplify your environment. We've given you the ability to deploy an adapter with addressing on the bracket so that you don't have to bring up and down servers. We have the ability to replace optics on the fly if one were to fail. This allows you to leave the server and application up and running and swap out a failed component. No one else can do this today in the industry. If we look at the software aspects, we want to be able to provide an end-to-end management tool, not a point product that just manages an adapter. Your environment is much more diverse than an adapter, so we want to be able to provide you a pane of glass that gives you visibility to what's happening at the server, at the fabric, and in between, giving you the ability to manage and monitor both the virtual and the physical level. Ultimately, customers have a decision to make around protocols. Will I deploy more iSCSI? Will I look at next generation technologies? The Dell relationship with Brocade and the portfolio that we've brought to market around fiber channel HBAs and 10 gigabit converged network adapters enable you to be able to choose one platform and pick your protocol as you grow. Performance, virtualization, and management gives you the differentiators coupled with the portfolio to provide flexibility for your environment today and into the future. If you have any questions about the Dell PowerConnect B portfolio or the Brocade server adapters, please contact your Dell representative for more details.